Hello lovely people, it's Peter here from Cut and Clay, and I've got a tiny confession to make. I've been tinkering again. You know how some people upgrade their cars or their phones or even their homes? Well, I've upgraded the printer I use to make your miniature marvels. I've gone from a 12K machine to a 16K one, which in the world of resin printing means I've gone from high definition to I can see your pores from across the room. It's the highest resolution commercially available in resin printers currently, and to say I'm excited is an understatement. To put that into relatable terms, your posh 4K telly has just under 4,000 pixels across the size of a small dining table. Well, my new printer has over 15,000 pixels across the size of half a sheet of A4 paper. So each pixel is an unbelievable 14 microns across. A human hair, if you're lucky to have some, is about 100 microns across. So yes, your new cutters will be officially as sharp as Claudia Winkleman's fringe. Even the finest filament printer, which many people use to produce cutters, can only manage a resolution of 200 microns. So what does this all mean for you? So it means your new cutters will be smoother, sharper, and 38% finer than your old ones. And I didn't stop there. I've upgraded the resin as well. The new formula cures faster and is smoother and stronger. So your new cutters will be smoother, crisper, and more durable than before. Though I still recommend you keep them in their cute little boxes, just keep them safe. They're tougher, but they're not indestructible. So that's the latest from Cut and Clay HQ. I'll keep on experimenting and upgrading and generally nerding out for your benefit, because my goal is simple: to give you the best possible tools at the best possible price. Thanks for watching. Now go make something beautiful. I can't tell you how many times I walked around this sodden field today to make this video, how many rabbit holes I've fallen down, how many molehills I've tripped on, but there I go again. Have a nice day. Come on Pops, it's time to go home.